Yeah. So hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. So we are continuing our journey on standards of program management. We are discussing about program performance domains. So today's topic is program lifecycle management. So as we are aware, we are in the journey of learning the program management performance domains. We are finally into the last performance domain, which is the program lifecycle management. Other domains like strategy alignment, benefits management, stakeholder engagement, program governance, all are completed. You can refer my previous videos. So today we're going to start with program lifecycle management. Program lifecycle management is a performance domain that manages program activities required to facilitate effective program definition, program delivery, and program closure. So whatever activities you need to execute, right, for while defining it, while delivering and closing it, so those activities are managed using program lifecycle management. There are two important aspects in program lifecycle management. We're going to cover both the topics. The first one is the program lifecycle that we're going to discuss now. The second one is the program activities and integration management. We'll be discussing in my subsequent videos. So let us try to understand a little more, in detail about program lifecycle management. To ensure the realization of the benefits, right? The program provide necessary alignment of organization strategic goals with the individual components, right? So if you want to have, right realization of benefits, you need to ensure that program is providing the necessary alignment to the organization strategic goals, right? The program by nature involves certain level of uncertainty, right? Certain level of change and complexity and interdependency among the components. So it is useful to establish a common and consistent set of processes that can be applied across phases, because lifecycle management is all about managing the different phases, the activities involved in that phases, right? So you need to have, establish a common and consistent set of processes, right? So these discrete phases, which may sometimes overlap, constitute the program life cycle. Now let us try to understand program life cycle as part of program life cycle management. Program functions very similar to project, right? Similarly, the way project is defined and projects are getting delivered and closed. Similarly, program also getting defined, benefits are delivered, and programs closed. But unlike projects, program involve coordination and sequencing of multiple components, right? So a program will have multiple projects. So the activities executed within the program lifecycle is highly dependent on the specific type of program, right? What are the type of industry you're operating? What are the company culture? A lot of activities. I mean, a lot of factors involved in is kind of activities you'll execute in the particular life cycle. Depends on the industry, depends on the company, depends on the type of the program, whether it's a production support, whether it's a development program. You need to understand that. So generally, the program activities typically begin, even before the funding is approved, or when the program manager is assigned. So that's how we start program lifecycle activities as such, right? So during program delivery, components are authorized, planned, and executed, right? And then during the program closure, when it's approved by steering committee, when the benefits are getting realized, the steering committee will approve the closure, right? So some programs might be terminated due to strategic, reasons, misalignment with the, change of nature of the market, right? All those things will play a role here, actually. Now let us try to understand or get an overview about program lifecycle phases. There are essentially three important lifecycle phases are there. The first one is the program definition phase. Program activities in this phase are conducted to authorize the program. A program roadmap is getting developed, business case is getting formulated, and program charter is being developed as well. So the program management plan also is getting prepared. So in the definition phase, whatever required to define, which help you in planning your program, all those things are done here. Either it can be of creating a business case, creating a charter to authorize the resources, right? The program roadmap, program management plan essentially is also getting prepared in the definition phase. So once all these things are done, we are moving to program delivery phase. In this phase, the activities performed are to produce the intended results of each component as per the program management plan. right? You did that program management plan, the definition phase. You are going to execute that activities which are need to be delivered the intended benefits. So as per the plan, you're going to execute it, right? So in the delivery phase, also the individual components also initiated, they are planned, executed, and closed. While the benefits are delivered, transition, and sustained, right? So within the delivery phase, all the components, planning, execution, all those things also happening. The next thing is a program closure phase. The program activities necessary to transition the program benefits to the sustaining organization and formally close the program in a controlled manner. So I think we have come to the final slide of today's video. So this picture gives you that, in a pictorially it gives you what are the, phases involved in program life cycle. We discussed our program definition, program delivery, and program closure, how it is interact with the organization strategy, and what are the sub phases in the program definition. See, for example, program formulation and program planning is part of program definition. The component related activities, right? Those surfaces are part of program delivery, and there is a program closure. All these are interrelated. You look at that, the delivered value function. So predominantly, you will deliver value in program delivery phase as well as the program closure phase. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of today's video. Hope you got a fair idea about what we are handling in program lifecycle management. What is a program lifecycle? What are the different phases of a program lifecycle that include definition phase, delivery phase, and closure phase, and what are the sub phases, and how it interacts with the organization strategy, and where are the major deliveries, delivering values happening, right? All those things we discussed. So thanks for your listening. Take care. Bye bye.